What's going on, guys? Brandon and Alex here again from RSK. We just got back from meeting up with someone that we're going to do a collaboration with soon. Can't tell you just yet, it's a secret. Be ready for big things. We're just going to go get some food. We'll see you there.
Stay tuned to the end of the video. You'll see a little sneak preview clip of what's to come. I can't actually believe we're doing this.
Yep.
What's going on, guys? Alex and Brandon back from Royal Street Krew. Today you're going to get to know us a bit more, so I'm just going to talk about a little bit about myself and then we'll get over to Brandon. So my name's Alex, I'm 19, I'm from Penrith, which is in Western Sydney, Australia.
Represent!
I work for Penrith Mazda. I'm currently a third year apprentice. I'm soon to hopefully doing YouTube full time. Until then...
No, but you'll be qualified soon.
Oh yeah, soon,
Let 'em,
yeah. And then
tell
we can,
tell the people.
Yep, and then we can, you know, do proper builds on cars and stuff, but that's enough about me. Brandon will tell you a bit about himself now.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Brandon, I'm 24 years old, from Western Sydney as well. I'm a Sparky by trade, or for you Americans, electrician. Yeah, currently just finished that, so slowly getting back into work now that we've had a big break over our holidays.
Well, you have, but, you know, mechanic trade doesn't get that,
yeah,
that luck.
We won't talk about it. We're going to head over to... We got some questions from you guys from our last post. Alex is going to read out the first one and we're going to give you some answers so you can get to know us a bit better.
We've got a question here, our very first one to start it off. Where did the love of cars come from?
Ooh. Probably YouTube, to be honest. As soon as I got my P's, loved driving, loved, even when going out, always been the designated driver and loved it. Still to this day, going out, I'd still rather not drink and whatever else and drive. But then watching YouTube as well, watching vloggers and going to car meets and starting to do modifications on my own cars. And I've owned a lot of cars, which if you want that in a video of how many cars we've owned, leave it down below.
Cars we've owned with details and all that stuff.
Yeah. So. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, yeah. So Alex, what's your love for cars, huh?
Well, ever since I was a young kid, Dad has been building cars in the garage, so I've always helped him sort of do things like that. We're a Ford family over here. We've been building, you know, old XY Falcons and all that stuff. He's owned most of the model Fords, so I've grown up.
What's the one he's building at the moment?
At the moment he's building a XY GT, so that will be soon to come in the videos. Yeah, we'll film that. Full custom build from the shell up. Everything's custom, so that will be good to see soon. Yeah, but like Brandon said, when you get your license, you sort of go out, meet your mates, you know, go for cruises and stuff, and that sort of livens up the whole thing. And then you want to start modifying your cars, 100%. Getting into different stuff, and then faster cars, bigger modifications, and then bigger car meets and stuff like that.
Which we will be getting.
Yeah, very soon.
We are getting faster cars.
That's right. That's enough about that question. Brandon will get on to the next question.
Ah, this is a good one. How did we become friends?
Okay, so Brandon was friends with my brother through working at the same workplace they work at. One day he came over for a party at my brother's house and he stayed the night, and we woke up and we were watching TV together, and then we went out for lunch, you know, started chatting, started vibing together and stuff like that. And then a few months later we went to the Field Day Festival in 2019, Centennial Park in Sydney. So we realised we had the same love for music, and that sort of brought us real close. And then we started talking about cars and all that stuff, brought us right close together. We love filming, we love talking about cars, modifying cars, all that stuff, so we sort of just clicked. And yeah, now we've been best friends for about 2 years.
Yep, a long 2 years at that. But you did leave out one little thing. at the party. If you know what Aussies do, which is a shoey, Alex over here was doing a shoey into a slide or a sandal.
A flip-flop.
Yeah, flip, and then into his mouth. If you just want to see that, we'll chuck the photo on our Instagram. Go check it out.
What do you guys do for a living? We've sort of already answered this, but we can go into depth
Sparky.
and more about the future. Do you just want to do electrical, or do you want to
I do love my job. I love my trade. I would love to go full-time on YouTube. That's pretty simple.
That's what we're aiming for.
Who wouldn't want to? It's, do you know what it is? It's getting out there, giving it a go, and waiting to get that feedback.
Being confident.
It's all you can learn from.
Being confident, you know, getting yourself out there. Yeah, it's all good. I'm a mechanic as of now. But if I wasn't doing YouTube full time, which we plan to do, I would get my high risk crane rigging license. Probably do heavy diesel mechanic course as well. Do call outs on weekends and stuff. Yeah, so I'm all about fixing up machinery and cars and all that stuff like that. So yeah, that's sort of where I'm at.
With the amount of effort we want to put into this channel and growing the channel and getting, especially like Sydney, onto the car scene a bit more on the YouTube side of things, and like getting everyone together, the whole community. Yeah, I think we would both, obviously, like what Alex said, he would upgrade what he does now. I would too. I would try to get another trade in what I do. Maybe get my cert too.
Yeah, or maybe even run your own business one day or something like that.
Yeah, exactly right. Here's one for you. Someone asked, what made you buy an XR6?
Ooh, what made me buy an XR6? So, most of my life, or all of my life, my family's been into Fords, and I see them as the more reliable, quicker, better car. I mean, some of you guys might debate, but
if you haven't heard about a Barra, it's the Australian RB or the Australian 2J.
The Aussie 2J. Built tough, yeah. So I've been obsessed with the XR6 at the moment. Soon, obviously, to hop into a turbo Barra would be amazing. A lot of content to do on that, you know, high horsepower build and stuff like that. But yeah, I like the design of the car. It's nice and spacious. The seats are like sitting in a lounge chair. Got everything you need, sat nav, cruise control, all that, and it's got the power of the foot when you need it. So yeah,
and they're very reliable.
Yeah.
I mean, you can have a lot of fun in even a NA version like Alex's is NA, and it's
very low maintenance. You know, everything holds together pretty well. So what made you want to buy an MPS, Brandon?
I wanted to buy it because I've always liked the shape of the MPS. I've always loved my hatchbacks, preferably the MPS. I was going to buy a Mazda 6 MPS, but then managed to find my one, which had very low Ks, a girl or lady owner. She was only upgrading because she had just had a baby, so she couldn't afford to have the manual car, especially because you get low kilometers to a tank. But other than that, yeah, it's reliable. I mean, I've had it for about a year and a half now, and I've had no problems with it, touch wood.
Yeah, so I've got another question here. So when Brandon's putting the big turbo on his MPS?
That's a good one. Look, it's coming. I've already got all the parts. I'm happy to put a video or take a photo of the parts. I've got the high turbo mount manifold with the external screamer pipe and yeah, stuff like that. So it's all ready. It's just all I need is access port and then take it to a dyno so I can get it tuned sooner than later.
Yeah, so we're gonna be installing that at home in my garage. I've got like a hoist and stuff. So, and me being a mechanic and Brandon being into cars, we sort of know what we're doing. Yeah, so saves us a lot of money and all that. And we get to video and show you guys. You guys get to see a bit more into what we do when we're not filming and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that should be good. So that's coming soon. Do you want to ask another one, Brandon?
I got asked. Are you ever going to turbo your Falcon you've got now?
Okay, so this is the plan for this car. So in about 6 months, I'll be on my full license. In Australia, it's called your black license. You have your learners, your Ps, and then your black license. So you're on your Ls for 120 hours and 1 year. You're on your red Ps for 1 year, and then your green Ps for 2 years. And then you can apply for your blacks, which you can drive whatever you want. But on your Ps, you're limited to a certain amount of power. Yeah, so...
By the way, in the background of all this, sorry Alex, we've got a guy standing on a car door yelling out to his friend. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know what is going on.
I don't know what he's doing.
Okay,
Back to the video, yeah. So in about 6 months, I'm going to be buying a turbo ute. The plan is, a friend of mine is selling a very high horsepower XR6 turbo ute.
It's nice too. It looks really clean.
About 500 kilowatts at the wheels, full built motor and all that. So the plan is to buy that, but if I don't get the opportunity to get that, I'll buy a more than standard low kilometer XR6 turbo ute and then do a build on that myself. And keep this as like a sentimental car for the channel, and maybe as I'm driving that around, we can put like a turbo motor in this.
Supercharge. Build
this up just a little bit. Or yeah, even a supercharge. You know, do it up a bit different, change it from everyone else. But yeah, this will be like more of a, we can do different things like projects and stuff like that. We can change stuff up and see what we like and kind of make it a whatever you guys suggest sort of car, and we can tweak it up and do it like that. So yeah, that's sort of the plan for my car, and if I'm going to turbo it and stuff like that. So yeah, there is plans for this car, but it's all depending on what happens with the next car.
We do have a plan which we would love to do, and it's all a matter of obviously just we can't pull money out of thin air of saving, but we would love to build a car between us and do an engine swap. That's all I'm going to say. I'm not saying anymore. We've got it in.
By the end of the year, we're going to use a small hot hatch platform and put a pretty decently powerful engine in it. So that is something to look forward to. But unfortunately, we can't speak any more about that. Until then, you just got to tune in, watch us grow.
Make sure you subscribe.
Yeah, be there with us.
Down next to our name.
Come to meets, you know, get out and all that stuff. So yeah, definitely that's something to look forward to.
That's our most asked question.
Just about to ask that one. Yeah, we've been getting a lot of feedback and a lot of comments saying, you know, when's this car meet coming up? You're all keen for the car meet. So this car meet, you've all been asking about it. Yeah, you've all been filling up the inboxes and stuff like that. We are planning the 1st of February, which is a Saturday. So keep your calendars clean for that. Yeah, should get a lot of people, a lot of decent power cars, and yeah, just bring us all together as a community, and yeah, get some showcasing, featuring of cars, and maybe take a few ride-alongs with you guys and showcase your vehicles.
And we'll make sure to, obviously being our first meet, we'll make sure to get good shots of everyone's cars as well. So if you want to be in the video after that, then be sure to come down and we'll make sure we get videos of everyone, because yeah, so that'll make me and Alex pretty...
So come up to us, talk to us, you know, get to know us a bit more, even though that's the point of this video. But yeah, we'd love to chat to you guys, get to know more about you and what you guys do and your vehicles and all that. So yeah, that'll be good. So Saturday the 1st of Feb, more details coming on the Instagram or the Facebook page. Yeah, keep watch of that for the next 2 weeks, so it should be up by then.
And it's just finding out where as well.
Yeah.
We'll find out where.
We'll find out a big space where we can all come together, you know, no interruptions or anything like that. So yeah, that's pretty good.
And comment down below if you would want to do a cruise afterwards. We're happy to make it a meet and cruise. Maybe the meet to be from the afternoon and then cruise into the night or in the day. We need your feedback, because me and Alex have a different say on everything.
We need to know what you guys want. We have a plan, but we want to know what you guys would like to do and sort of work it around that. So you guys get what you want. We're happy to supply that for you. So let us know what you guys would want, and we'll organise the time for that and the place, and you guys just show up, you know.
Alright.
So that's something to look forward to.
If you've made it this far, be sure to... It's getting pretty dark. We'll go outside. We'll go outside.
Yeah, we'll take you guys outside.
What's up, bro? Alex, come look at this. Look at this.
What happened?
You see this? You see this? That's low. But you didn't tell them about the 1-ton box you got in the back, did you?
Thanks for watching the video, guys. It's been our second video. We still love getting content out for you guys, because we've got a lot in the future to come, big plans. So yeah, until then, like, subscribe, leave your comments, different ideas and stuff like that.
Press the button down next to our name. Press it. Subscribe.
Should we show them the short clips we filmed yesterday?
Yeah. We'll leave them after this outro.
Until then, enjoy this little teaser clip. But RSK is a family, make sure you spread the word.
Hey, what else?
Good speaking to you, man. We'll catch up with you soon, alright?
No worries, dude.